3:45, waiting for your boy show up. There he is. Hi. Hi. Let me in, bro.
I forgot I didn't unlock that.
It's freaking.
Oh, copyright.
It's Seattling out here, dude. So we're here with Mike Media, and today we're gonna go get my R8 because one thing that it needed ever since the new set of wheels was that they come stock with black brake calipers, and even the guy who bought the car and spec'd it out before me, he even wanted red brake calipers, but Audi just wouldn't do it. Like, that's just not a thing for the R8.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we're making them red anyway, and that's what we're gonna go pick it up today, but obviously it is... Summer has ended. Everyone in the comments is like, what are you talking about? It's still like 90 degrees where I'm at. Well, summer has definitely ended in Seattle, and we're back to our normal schedule routine of just blah.
And the drivers are even worse.
Well, with that, let's get on the way. Alright, pulling in now. I'm excited mode. This should be interesting. It's such a little thing, but we're gonna see how much of a difference it makes. Is that an S14?
Where?
Bruh. Right behind this trash can.
Oh, look at. Hey, that's next to where it belongs. I'm sorry. I'm kidding. It's a Zenki. It actually is where it belongs.
That's sick. Is that out? Oh, there's my car.
There's another V10 R8 too.
Oh, what? Yo, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Hey, your boy, V10 though too. That's sick. Yeah, maybe he just got his calipers done as well. Yeah. It's caliper day. Time to hop out of the mobile. Yo, that's a massive difference. Oh my god.
Dude, right here.
Dude, that is so noticeable, especially
sick,
with the wheels. That is so sick. Oh. Let's just get a good side profile of this. Yeah, that is probably, I'm so glad I did that, because I think out of all my cars I have, this literally shows the brakes the most. And plus it's got these big old Johnnies on here anyway, so that's 10 times better than black. I feel like almost any color is better than black, probably besides like gray, because like matte gray is like OEM, like just regular car brake calipers. I'm sure like some, yeah, something like that. Most regular cars just have gray, but red is where it's at, where it's popping. I really didn't know what other color choice to go, because like yellow would just be like, and like any other color really just wouldn't have probably worked out with the car. So red on red's where it's at. Plus we got the red BBS center cap. It's just all one complete thing. I love it so much. Then we got our little buddy over there in white. He's got the yellow brake calipers too. I don't know how I feel about that. That's sick. I had to come by and peep this guy's car. So this car has one thing on me. We got that gated manual. Holy cow. I think that is louder than my car. Even... Oh my god. It's a little smoky too. Well, that's your preference. V8 or V10? I think overall that is a really pretty beautiful sound. It's just that I don't think it fits the car. That's why I really like the V10, because the V10 sound is a lot more higher pitch and it fits a supercar. Whereas that sounds like that's almost a straight up American muscle car right there. But what's surprising to me is that this guy's actually put all the V10 aero on the V8. Obviously you guys heard it. You could tell it says V8 on there on the engine bay, but this is a V10 rear bumper, V10 rear exhaust tips right there. The one thing that kind of gave it away for me is that the side plate doesn't have that little kind of 3D inlet that kind of just sticks out, whereas my car's, the lower area just kind of pokes out, the carbon fiber. But I legit thought this was a V10 at first, because he's got all the aero.
That's all the exhaust.
I know. Yo, Mike, those wheels on your WRX, I'm just saying, Work Emotion D9Rs. I mean, it's already on like basically the same color combo as your WRX. I just think those would look so clean.
Yeah.
Oh baby, you know we're gonna have to give it one. Dude, it just cannot be captured on camera. The sound just cannot be captured from this car. Oh my god, that's a lot of jack. Alright, so we swapped to Brennan's really wide angle lens just because he's letting me borrow it. And you know what else is getting wide today? Oh, DIY had a wide body or ruin your Miata.
Hey, what the fuck?
Nah, this is Brennan is doing a. Would you call this a super rare kit?
I wouldn't call it.
I'd say it's rare because I'd never seen this on any other Miata.
There's one Miata that I know of that had it that doesn't have them anymore. So that I know of, I'm the only one that has it.
Dude, that's freaking. This is sick. Basically, obviously, it's not paint matched yet. No, we're leaving it like this, you know.
I'm leaving like that's actually staying like that. I don't know why they're putting the flare on.
Oh yeah, this is, guys. What are you doing? We're just going with this, right?
Oh yeah.
This is a good fitment, you know?
Yeah. It's really subtle, which I really like. Clean underscore Miata now. Should we test fit on the R8?
Yeah, let's scratch.
Sure.
All right, let's go.
fast.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go test fit this. Oh my god, dude, this is interesting on itself.
It's wider than your fender.
Yo, get the shot. Get the shot. Wide body my car.
What's nice about this lens is that you don't really have to aim it because everything's gonna be in the shot.
I know. I mean, okay, this. If it weren't for all this would actually be a really sick wide body for the car. Like, I feel like it would flow with the body. Let's see if it fits the front any better.
It's a rear fender, so I doubt it. But it's raining, so we should get back.
Yeah, anyways, I'll give you your heavenly fender back.
Yeah.
What?
I just noticed the calipers.
Yeah!
I didn't even realize. I was like, how come your car looks so different? And then I was like, whoa, that just pops so much.
I know, they're wild, dude.
Oh, I love it.
Everyone's been telling me I should Liberty Walk this thing. That's literally like the most common request. But I'm safely gonna decline on that. Liberty walking a car completely like ruins the value of it. The second you cut into any supercar or any exotic, unless you're doing like a crazy GT3 kit, which even if you are doing a rare kit, you still have to spend a whole ton of money on the kit itself that you're not exactly gonna get in return. So no matter what, wide bodying is just like a money pit and it's a dedication, and like it only makes sense if you're gonna keep the car for tens and tens of years and it's just gonna be kind of your dedicated machine, which this car I have no idea how long I'm keeping. I mean, might enjoy it for its time, maybe upgrade, who knows what the plans are, but all I know is that I want to keep it simple. I don't want to have to cut into it, do some crazy wide body. That's for Brendan's Miata, okay? That's what we're gonna keep it for. Tim, what are you holding right now? Tim, are you alright with that mechanism?
Start really slow.
No, put the drill bit in the middle, dude.
Is this not in the middle? Oh, it's not.
That's
Start
still not in the
really
middle.
slow.
That's slow. Just steady. Yeah, there you go.
Slowly speed it up.
Put this hand on the back.
Yeah,
So
nice.
it's some leverage.
Yeah, and then push it.
Wow.
Yeah, you can speed it up. Really push it.
Push it harder.
You're good now. Go, go, go. Yay!
Yay!
Spin it.
Normally I'd feel bad for doing that, but then I forget that there's that. So honestly, this isn't a big deal. This isn't a big deal
No,
anymore.
it's too far gone. It's too far gone.
We're in.
That was very fun.
Put that thing down.
You can like visibly tell about the
Hey.
What?
toe. Look at your toe in.
Oh yeah, that is a lot of toe in. See,
I've never
the wheel
noticed it, though.
the wheel from vertically, it should look like it's more like
because
that,
the
but it's
fender
like that.
Peels back.
No, you can literally see it.
Yeah.
All right,
No,
well,
you can feel it too if you do this. Like your fingers get caught.
rest in peace, your tires.
They're
It's a piece of your
fine.
kid.
Bring
Your
these
kid
tires.
did
Like
it.
I care.
They're fine.
Yeah,
It's
the
good,
thing is,
it's good.
Tires for him cost $60 each.
Yeah.
Also got his set for $60.
What could you get on your car for $60?
On the R8, I don't know. I'd be lucky if I could get lug nuts.
For $60, honestly.
I legit don't know what you could get on an R8 for 60 bucks. All I'm saying, guys, is that if R8 parts were the price of Miata parts, then you would see me with like a freaking full-on decked build by now.
Get a Miata.
Yeah.
Look at the sickest Miata in the world. Heck yeah.
I'll just get a Miata, put R8 badges on it, and boom.
No, you could get like a JDM car and then like wide body it.
Well, I already have the first part down. I have the JDM car part down. I just don't know about...
Sylvia? Maybe?
Sylvia?
This video gets 1 like. Jack will buy a Sylvia.
Well, okay, if it gets 1 like, then technically good luck with that, because it's probably gonna get more. So
Oh, there you go.
that's, you know, if it actually does get 1 exact like,
singular like.
1 singular like, Sylvia, we're coming.
Alright guys, I'll like the video, no one else.
This is a team effort here. All 1 million of you guys, you gotta squad up, alright?
If it gets over 1 like though, Jack has to buy me a car.
No, he's not
Man, what the?
He buys me the Sylvia.
Anyways guys, that is all so far for this video. We have much more to come. We have suspension figured out for the R8 that's coming. We gotta get it tuned soon. It's gonna get a completely new mapping tune. And then we also have our first ever UltraMotive meet, which will be happening on Friday, probably when this video is uploaded. And that is gonna be a big deal and a big turnout. So, I mean, vlogs coming from all of that. I know that you guys have been just requesting I cover as much content on this R8 as I can. So that's basically what I'm doing for those of you that love watching it. So if you guys watch through the entire thing, thank you so much. It means a lot. I love you guys viewing the vlogs and everything like that. With that all in mind, I am going to safely sign off the video, and this will be JackUltraMotive signing it out.
Ultra.